Hello all, welcome to this online session on writing skills for first year BTech students. I'm A. Madhavi Latha, Assistant Professor of English at NNRG Education Society's group of institutions. Up to now we have done 4 videos on writing skills, like videos on sentence, clause, phrase, definite, indefinite clauses, simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and if clauses. So this video gives focus on the paragraph writing. Okay, so before we get into our session, let's discuss what a paragraph is. See, in any piece of writing, see here I might have come across in lots of text like mails, okay, letters, theses, articles, okay, your textbook, chapters and all. See what happens, each and every unit of any let's take, it runs into several paragraphs. Okay, a unit comprises several paragraphs. Do you know why you have paragraphs in this any text? Every paragraph does have a main idea in it. Okay, an idea in it. This idea is conveyed through a topic sentence. What is this? How this is idea? Around this topic sentence, you do find different statements supporting this topic sentence. Okay, suppose you people wanted to write an essay. You have different ideas. So an idea can be expressed through topic sentence in one paragraph. Suppose you have another idea about the topic, you can just go and write in another paragraph through a topic sentence. This topic sentence should be supported with supporting details. Okay, now you understood what is topic sentence, right? It's a main idea what we are talking about, writing in the paragraph. And coming to supporting details, how will you support the details to this topic sentence? The supporting details can be like statistics. You can explain the process. You can give the details of the process, or you can define anything, or you can lay out facts. Okay, you can bring it illustrations. In that way, you can just support your topic sentence. So that is the thing. So a paragraph, what is the structure of a paragraph? A structure is nothing but it has two components. The structure of paragraph comprises two components. One is topic sentence and the other one is supporting details. Okay, now coming to this, I'll give you an example. If at all your topic sentence and your supporting details are very effective, then you can produce an effective paragraph. I'll give you another yearly follow. I told you it's a topic sentence. Topic sentence is nothing but a sentence in which the main idea is conveyed. Okay, what is your purpose of writing is nothing but your main idea. Why are you writing? The purpose is nothing but your main idea. Okay, so here let's read. I'll just read out this sentence, this paragraph for you. Sorry. Instead of breaking into a jog too quickly and risking injury, take a relaxed and deliberate approach. Before starting, spend some time stretching and warming up. Doing any exercises you find comfortable. Once the warm-up is over and you feel ready, begin walking. Increase your speed gradually. Swing your arms briskly and loosely while walking. After you have brisk walked for some distance, you should feel ready to jog. Start running at a slow pace. Do not bolt out like a sprinter. Remember to keep your shoulders straight and your head up. One final word. Do not forget to enjoy the scenery around. After all, it is one of the joys of jogging. So after reading this paragraph, can you identify the main idea in it? Yeah, it's all about the pre-activity. Okay, done. Okay, before jogging. I mean, activity is done before jogging. What are you supposed to do? You immediately don't rush into jogging immediately. Okay, before that you have to do some warm up. So that's the thing about this. So this is the topic sentence. What are you supposed to do before getting into the process of jogging? And how are they supported? See here, these are supporting details. How are they supported? Here is laying out some information. The paragraph lays out some information that before starting you have to do this. After warm up, once the warm up is done, you are supposed to do that. Then gradually increase your speed. Start running at slow pace, and at last, what are you supposed to do? So these are nothing but supporting details. So this is your paragraph. Okay, a paragraph, the structure of the paragraph should have topic sentence and also it should have supporting statements. Suppose if you want to write anything a paragraph or anything, please have an idea in your mind. Why are you writing? And please try to state it, lay out the information. I mean, support the so-and-so topic sentence with your supporting details. So this is the structure of paragraph. See, not only laying out topic sentence and supporting with supporting details does not make an effective paragraph. A paragraph should also have the two aspects like cohesion and coherence. Cohesion and coherence. Now I'll let you know what cohesion is and what coherence is. Now here, what do you mean by what is this coherence? Let's find out what coherence is. Coherence is nothing but the logical order, how you are organizing your paragraph. Okay, how are you organizing your paragraph is important. Suppose, I mean the chronological order in a sequence. Okay, in a sequence, that hierarchy should be seen. Okay, which event comes after which event comes after what. Okay, so that's nothing but chronological order. A paragraph should be written in a chronological order. Then that paragraph is said to be what? Coherent or future of coherence. Okay, now in this paragraph, let's see how our orders. Okay. How is our order? See, what is he saying before starting? This is one process. Okay, before starting, what are you supposed to do? After that, once the warm-up is done, what are you supposed to do? Next, increase your speed. After your warm-up is done, then increase your speed. So this is what's happening. Say event after event, activity after activity, activity after activity, we are doing it. Okay, they are mentioning it. Next, swing your arms. After swinging your arms, what are you supposed to do? You brisk walk. Okay, after you walked, what are you supposed to do? You should feel ready to jog. After feeling, what are you supposed to do? You are going to run at a slow pace. So what's happening here? All these events, the activities in the paragraph, they are arranged in an order. Okay, so a paragraph should also have an order. In order to have an effective paragraph, the paragraph should have topic sentence, it should have supporting details. Not only supporting details, okay, supporting details should be arranged in an order. Okay, then the paragraph is said to be effective. Apart from coherent, paragraph should also be cohesive, or it should have an aspect of cohesion. Now, what do you mean by cohesion? Okay, I'll let you know, don't worry. Cohesion is, see, suppose let's read this paragraph. Like before starting, spend some time stretching and warming up, doing any exercises you find comfortable. Once the warm-up is done. See what's happening this paragraph. I'm just writing following the order. Okay, it's in order, but I'm just trying to throw my ideas continuously. This paragraph is not an abrupt stop. Okay, my ideas are free here. They are flowing. How are they flowing? By using these devices. Can you find before standing? This is a linker. Okay, this shows that when before starting, what are you supposed to think? Once the warm-up is done, this is another linker. Next, what you find after is another linker. Okay, do not bold. Next, remember to keep, and what is the other linker? One final word. This is another linker. After all is another linker. So what these words are doing? After all, before, once the warm-up is done, once the warm-up. Next, you have another linkers, one final word. So what are they doing? They are actually connecting one sentence to the other. One sentence to the other. If there are no words like this, before, once, or after all, or after, if there are no words like that, the paragraph looks abrupt. Okay, it doesn't have the feature of the ideas running freely. Okay, so you should have these linkers. Okay, these linkers are important in order to express your ideas freely in a paragraph. Basing on this, there are two ways of ensuring cohesion. So, cohesive devices, as I told you, there are two types, that is grammatical cohesion and lexical cohesion. Grammatical cohesion is nothing but they use grammatical devices. Lexical is nothing but words, usage of words. Coming to grammatical devices, we can use pronouns. Pronouns we can use, suppose here for example, Harish and Mohan have been good friends since childhood. Full stop. Instead of Harish and Mohan, I wrote here they. So this is a device. Okay. Now this is nothing but pronoun. Usage of pronouns instead of using nouns. Okay, that is one of the devices, cohesive devices. Now according to a recent report, India's electronic imports have increased substantially. Therefore, the government is trying to encourage. This sentence and this sentence I'm combining with the word therefore. Okay, which is a linker. Here I can use hence. Okay, as a linker. So any kind of words, all the conjunctions like but, okay, therefore, hence, thereafter, similarly, okay, in addition to. These are all words used as linkers. Okay. Next, they used to submit assignments on time, and so does his brother. This is substitution. What is substitution here? Does. So they used to submit his assignments on time, and Dev's brother also, I didn't mention here, Dev's brother also submits assignments. So I'm using here so does, which is a substitution. I'll give you another example, like which ice cream would you like? Suppose if the answer is I would like the pink one. I'm not saying I would like the pink ice cream. I'm saying I would like the pink one. So here what I'm doing, ice cream I substituted with one. Okay. And the other, like, grammatical cohesive device is nothing but ellipsis. Ellipsis is nothing but omission of words. Okay. Some words can be omitted. So that means nothing but ellipsis. Process of ellipsis. Now what have you been doing? Okay. The answer should be I'm working. But what I'm skipping here, I'm skipping I am. Okay, instead of I am, and just wrote working. That is nothing but ellipsis. This also can be one of the linking devices. I'll give you another example for ellipsis. Like, where are you going? Okay, I said to dance. Okay, where are you going? The answer should be I just wanted to dance. I like to go to dance. Okay, but instead of that, all that I just used to dance. So that is nothing but ellipsis under grammatical devices. Now coming to lexical cohesion. Lexical cohesion is nothing but vocabulary. Okay, words like synonyms, antonyms can be used to replace something in the sentence. For example, Alice caught the baby with some difficulty, as it was a queer-shaped little creature and held out its arms and legs in all directions, just like a starfish, thought Alice. The poor little thing was snorting like a steam engine when she caught it. Now, what is the thing Alice caught? The baby is substituted by it. Okay, which is a pronoun. Again, baby and it is substituted, but the poor little thing is nothing but what? The baby itself. Okay, so baby synonyms we are using, like the poor little thing, it. So synonyms, usage of synonyms, and also collocations. Collocations, you have an idea. Collocations is nothing but group of words which go together. Okay, like if I say heavy rain, okay, the strong coffee, okay, feel free, get prepared, okay, the group of words, two words which go together and which sound natural is nothing but collocation. Here we close the deal in a star hotel last night. What is collocation? Here we close the deal. Okay, such kind of collocations can also be used used as linkers, or can be used as cohesive devices. So this is all about your paragraph writing. So in order to produce an effective paragraph, you people should know that the main two components of paragraph writing. And how are you going to produce this supporting details in a paragraph? It should have coherence, and it should be cohesive. What do you mean by coherent? That should be in an organized way, in a logical order. And what do you mean by cohesive? Okay, cohesive is nothing but property of linking together. Okay, showing free flow of ideas through usage of linking devices. That linking devices can be grammatical devices or it can be lexical devices. Hope you understood my session, and thank you all. Meet you in the next session. Thank you again.